Hi, this is another video showing the initial distributor leaking. So I disassembled the distributor itself and to show you how to tell the external seal and the internal seal leaking, how does it looks like. So with the distributor removed, so you can see a hole opening here, which there's an external seal that is blocking the oil from leaking, and if you touch here, then you should see oil residue if this external seal is leaking. If you look at the back of the distributor, and this is the O-ring that you're supposed to replace, and so-called external distributor seals, which is a very typical O-ring. So it's relatively easy to replace the O-ring. Then for the internal seal leaking, so let me flip it over. So I remove the cap, the plastic the cap which hold by three bolt. And so if it's the internal seal that's leaking, if you open up the cap, then you will see oils coming on around the bottom of the distributor itself, and so the oil is going into the distributor and then coming out from the bottom part of the distributor. So this means this internal seal has to get replaced. And so this is the internal seal that you have to replace. It's not a regular O-ring that you can find from an O-ring shop.